In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save drafts and continue editing later in CapCut so you can pause your work anytime and come back to it without losing progress. This is a super useful feature if you're editing in chunks, working on multiple videos, or just want to stop and pick up exactly where you left off. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the good news is that drafts are automatically saved in CapCut PC when you close the app. That means you do not need to manually export your project or create a special save file every time you stop editing. As long as you're working inside CapCut, your draft is stored for you automatically. So if you need to take a break, you can simply close the app and trust that your work is still there. Now, when you're ready to continue editing later, the first thing you want to do is open CapCut PC again. Once CapCut loads, make sure you are on the home screen. The easiest way to check this is by looking at the left menu. You should see the main navigation options there, and you want to be in the home area before looking for your saved work. If you're not on home, just click it from the left side menu so you can access your drafts and projects properly. After that, scroll a little down on the home page until you see the projects section. This is where CapCut keeps all of your drafts and saved projects. You should be able to find the video you were working on listed there, ready to open and continue editing. Just click on the draft or the project you want to resume, and CapCut will bring it back up exactly so you can keep working from where you left off. This makes it really easy to manage unfinished edits without starting over. So the simple process is this. Close CapCut when you're done for now, reopen CapCut later, go to home, scroll down to projects, and open your draft. That's all you need to do to save drafts and continue editing later in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.